Hello everybody, welcome to Tyrus PC, and today we're going to be teaching you how to download a stream from Microsoft Teams. So let's get right to it. So bear in mind, this is not an easy tutorial, but I'll do my best to make it easy for you. So before we start, you need to download these two. So to download these two, I'll be putting the links in the description in this video. So let's start the Node.js. So Node.js is an essential program for you to make the code run for you to download the stream and to convert the stream. So you're just gonna click this Windows installer here and 64-bit. Click that 64-bit and a download prompt is gonna show up. So when you're done downloading that, you need to install it. So the second file is this Google Drive link. So again, the link is in the description. You can just click it directly. So we're gonna open that. So we're gonna open it in Chrome and just click download anyway. And there you go. You're downloading the DStreamer Win64.zip. After you're done downloading the Node.js, you're gonna install it. So you open Node.js or Node v12. It's an MSI installer. You're just gonna wait. You're just gonna accept that, then next, and next, next. Click next and install. And you have to wait until Node.js has finished installing. So we've finished installing Node.js. So what you're gonna do next is you need to open the other one that you've downloaded, the DStreamer 64 that you downloaded from the Google Drive. You're gonna go find it on your downloads folder. You're gonna open that DStreamer Win64.zip. After that, you're gonna click extract to, click desktop, click new folder, and click OK. Wait for it to finish extracting. So here we are, we got the DStreamer folder Win64. So after that you've extracted the folder, you're gonna look inside the DStreamer folder. As you can see right here, you got the DStreamer.exe. So first you gotta do is, the next thing you gotta do is open the command prompt, and you're gonna type cmd in here and click open. And the next thing you gotta do is type cd desktop. And cd DStreamer, you're just gonna copy the name and paste it right here. It's the name of the folder, DStreamer Win64. So click, press enter, and type DStreamer. So the DStreamer has been loaded. What you're gonna do next is type DStreamer I, and copy your link of the stream video. To copy that, you're gonna click this three-dot line right here and click get link, copy, and go back to the command prompt. Right click and paste. Press enter. So it's gonna load a Chrome window. So in this Chrome window, you're gonna have to sign in with your account, and I'm just gonna blur my account because I don't want someone who's gonna hack my account. So we're gonna sign in and go and sign in. Just sign in with your Microsoft Teams account. After that, after you've signed in, there it is on the command prompt. It's gonna download the video that you've copy and pasted in the command prompt. So this is still downloading. It's downloading. You're just gonna have to wait till you finish downloading, and it's gonna depend with your internet speed how fast the download is gonna finish. So the file or the stream video has now finished downloading, so we're gonna see and look inside the DStreamer folder to see if the video has been downloaded. So there you go, we got the downloaded stream, and we're gonna test it, see if it works. And there you
na
go,
mga
it
pretest.
works.
Sa ito mag-end ang ato ECE faculty.
So every time that you want to download a stream from Microsoft Teams, you're just gonna have to type CD desktop DStreamer Win64, or I'm just gonna put that in the description and just paste it. Right click and paste, and type enter, press enter, and there you go. And after that, you're just gonna type DStreamer and -I and paste the link of the stream Microsoft video. So that's all for my tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me on the comment sections, and if you think this video was helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.